Hey Google friends! A common thread found in many topics focuses on looking at a problem or issue from different perspectives. Today's Google Wednesday segment features a couple different ideas for helping students to look at perspective. As you know, Google Slides is one of my favorite tools, and the last Google Wednesday segment demonstrated on how to use the workspace in Google Slides. And today's idea uses that same process, only in a different context. The idea is called Caption This, and it's designed to have students find an image that relates to the content of the issue and then use speech bubbles to write the different perspectives surrounding the issue. And in this example of Western expansion, you can see a simple, because remember, my background is in elementary, it's a simple dramatization of the perspectives that might have occurred during this time. A helpful tip for teachers of students who will use the whole period just to find that one image is to have some images available for them to copy. So maybe you as the teacher limit their choices and images to select. For instance, you might already have a Google Slide presentation available with 4 to 6 slides that students can select from. You share it with them as a view only so they can't mess up your slide deck. The beauty of this tip is that students can now just right-click on one of the slides, say copy. They can go up here to File, say New Presentation, right-click, and select Paste. Do not link. And now they have that same image, and the nice part is it comes copied with the directions in the workspace. So students can go right to work creating their speech bubbles, and all they need to do for that is to go up here to the shapes, callouts, select speech bubbles, and then create a speech bubble for that person or the individuals in their image. So the slide notes area can be used for students to expand or elaborate more in their thinking, where students have the opportunity to provide an explanation for the perspectives given in the image. Students can then upload the whole slide into Google Classroom. So using Google Slides is one method of engaging students in an activity that promotes diverse thinking, as well as provides you, the instructor, with a tool for assessing their knowledge of the content.